First Education Academy presents 4x4 series Legal English. Contract terms. Deed poll. Deed poll. This term means a written agreement, binding on one person or several people, acting jointly, to declare an intention, or establish a commitment. Concessionaire. Concessionaire. This term means someone who has been granted the go-ahead to sell or do anything. Sunset clause. Sunset clause. This term means clause specifying the termination of the agreement after a particular date. Time is the essence. Time is the essence. This term means the agreement depends on the timeframes listed in the contract. First Education Academy presents 4x4 series Legal English. Labor law. Labor law. This term means legislation governing the legal rights of workers and the entities for which they work. Genuine occupational qualifications. Genuine occupational qualifications. This term means a few exceptions where sex or marital status may be utilized as a job criterion. Redundancy dismissal. Redundancy dismissal. In USA it is called layoff. Layoff. This term means the termination of employees' employment contracts because their role no longer exists. Termination of employment. Termination of employment. This term means the end of a work period or employment. First Education Academy presents 4x4 series Legal English. Employment tribunal. Employment tribunal. This term means a judicial entity that settles disputes between employers and employees. Collective bargaining. Collective bargaining. This term means negotiation between trade unions or labor unions and employers, mainly over employment terms and conditions. Strikes. Strikes. This term means a planned and deliberate cessation or slowdown of work by employees, with the goal of forcing the employer to agree with the employee's requests. Picketing. Picketing. This term means a protest outside a workplace in which people gather to discourage others from entering the premises. Typically used to push another party to accept certain demands. It is frequently done during strikes. First Education Academy presents 4x4 series Legal English. Injunction. Injunction. This term means an official court order directing a person to do or refrain from doing something. Lockout. Lockout. This term means keeping people out of a facility by locking it, hence, preventing staff from working. Discriminatory dismissal. Discriminatory dismissal. This term means termination of a worker's employment contract due to prejudice or bigotry. Unfair dismissal. Unfair dismissal. This term means termination of a worker's employment contract without cause. The issue is whether the employer was justified in firing the employee. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please join my channel. Click the notification button. Your share and like are highly appreciated.